beginning of our story. This last 2005, after my father died, my mother faced a very hard decision. There was a letter from a company was went to our house, and I was the one who received it. And when my mother came from her work in Italy, she was very problematic about her financial because we don't have enough money for this coming day. Although she already gets her salary this last week.
Mommy! There any problem?
We don't have enough money for this coming day.
Again? But now I have a project.
By the way, ma.
Uy, Jen.
Don't do that. I have an opportunity to for volunteer. And may allowance double the price. While we are sleeping late at night, my mother's thinking if she will sign the contract or not. So she gets the Bible and prays for guidance. Because of the prayer, may sasabihin ko. Ano ba sabihin ko? God, I know that this is not your will to suffer my family from poverty. But now, I need to think twice if I'm going to sign the contract and leave my family for 1 year.
Parang nagluluto ako.
Dirty plans to become rich.